Good morning, students. Today we will start third chapter, data handling. In this chapter, there are some terms that you have to learn. First, data. What is data? A collection of numerical figures. A collection of numerical figures giving some particular type of information. Information is called data. For example, the marks obtained by obtained by 10 students in a class test. (42), 8, 46, 34, 18, 29, 45, 37. Second is raw data. Data obtained in the original form. Data obtained in the original form data. Data given in the above example is a raw data. Next one is array. ARRAY. Third is array. Array, arranging the numerical figures. Arranging the numerical figures of a data in ascending or descending order. Descending order is called an array. Fourth, tabulation of data. Arranging the data in systematic form. In the form of a table. Is called tabulation of the data. Next one is fifth observation. Fifth observation, observation. Now each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. Now sixth is frequency of an observation. The number of times if observation occurs is called its frequency. Now seventh is statistics. It is the subject that deals with the collection, presentation, and analysis and observation. Interpretation. Eighth term is mean. The mean or arithmetic mean of given observation its mean. The mean arithmetic mean of given observation is defined as the ratio of sum of the given observation to the number of given observations. Now next is range. It is the difference between the lowest observation and highest observation. To start exercise 3.1. Now I am going to start exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. In question number 1, you have to find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Let the heights of the students in your class of 10 students is 152 in centimeter, 152, 153, 154, 155, 150, 148, 155, 160, 162, 154, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These heights are in centimeter, and therefore range of heights is equal to 162 minus 148 equal to 14 centimeter. Now question number 2. In question number 2, organize the following marks in class assessment in a tabular form. You have to arrange this in tabular form and you have to solve the following questions. Now first we write in tabular form. Marks tally marks and frequency. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1 is 1 time, therefore tally mark is 1 and frequency is 1. Similarly 2 is 2 times and frequency of 3 is 1, frequency of 4 is 3, frequency of 5 is 5 and frequency of 6 is 4, frequency of 7 is 2 and frequency of 8 is 1 and frequency of 9 is 1. Now answer of first question is highest number is 9. Mark highest mark is equal to 9. Your second question is lowest mark. Equal to 1 and third is range. Range is equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Now fourth is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 5 into 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 12 plus 25 plus 24 plus 14 plus 8 plus 9 by 20, and this equal to 100 by 20, and this 25 is 100. Answer is 5. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, you have to find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Mean of the first 5 whole numbers is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5. This equal to 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. 10 by 5. And this equal to 5 to the 10. Answer is question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Find the mean score. And mean score is equal to sum of scores, that is 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 by 8. This equal to 400 by 8. 8 5 is 40, and this is 50. Answer is 50. Now question number 1 of 5. 1 of 5. In question number 1, you have to find the mean to determine number of points scored per game. And therefore, the AS average number of points, AS average number of points scored per game is equal to 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 by 4, and this equal to 50 by 4, and this is 12.5. Now 2 of question number 5. In question number 2, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Why? And answer of this question, to find the mean, to find the mean number of points per game for C, total points by 3. Since player C did not participate, in all the 4 games, Now third, in question number 3, B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean points of B? Mean points of B equal to 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 by 4. This equal to 18 by 4 and 2 2 जा 4, 2 9 जा 18. This equal to 9 by 2 and this equal to 2 integer 1 by 2. Now 4. In question number 4, who is the best performer? Player A. Player A is the best performer. Now come to question number 6. Marks out of 100. In question number 6, the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the student in question number 1, 5, 6, 1. And highest marks, range of the marks, and therefore range is equal to highest marks minus lowest marks, and this equal to 56. Now in question number 3, mean marks obtained by the group, therefore mean marks obtained by the group is equal to 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75 by 10, and this equal to 730 by 10. 0 0 cancel, and this is the answer. 73 is the answer. Question number 9. Heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter, and the results are as follows. Therefore the heights of 10 girls, the heights of 10 girls in centimeter are as follows. One 35, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. Now your first question is, you have to find the height of the tallest girl. Therefore the height of the tallest girl is equal to 151 centimeter. Second is the height of the lowest girl. The height of the lowest girl is equal to 128 centimeter. Now in question number 3, you have to find the range, and therefore range equal to height of the tallest girl. Range is equal to 151 minus 128. This equal to 23 cm. Now 4. In question number 4, what is the mean height of the girls? Therefore mean height of the girls is equal to 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 plus 151 plus 132 plus 146 plus 149 plus 143 plus 141 by 10, and this equal to 1414 by 10, and this equal to 141.4 centimeter. This is the answer. Now question number 5 of 9th. In question number 5, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? You have to find the number of girls whose height is more than mean height. Therefore, number of girls whose height is whose heights are more than the mean height equal to 5. Now question number 7 and 8 for you to do as homework. Okay.